So you want to start mining to create a massive passive residual income. But you may be asking yourself, how do I get started? Which coins should I mine? What equipment, software, and hosting will I need to be successful? And what are the potential problems, pitfalls, and challenges I may face? These are all great questions. So let's start with the basics, and then let's uncover the secrets that the ultra wealthy use to create massive success in the cryptocurrency industry. First, you probably know by now that mining, or more accurately called validating, is a process by which a network of peers validate cryptocurrency transactions in order to prove and record the exchange of any currency with a cryptocurrency. By doing this, you will be awarded Bitcoin or altcoin to validate this process, therefore creating a massive opportunity for the validators that know what they're doing. However, this process is highly competitive because of the proven and lucrative benefits of becoming a validator. Also, you must have the right type of knowledge, equipment, software, and skills to be a profitable validator in today's marketplace. So where do you begin, and how do you avoid the costly mistakes most people will make? Well, here are 3 important tips or strategies on how to create success in this market. These 3 insider tips are used by the most successful and profitable validators in the world and will give you the edge in becoming a profitable validator. Tip number 1, you must have the right hardware. Validating cryptocurrency requires extremely powerful equipment to solve the massive amount of calculations that are required to be awarded coins and create your endgame of receiving coins for validating. The equipment should be energy efficient, simple to maintain, long-lasting, and have the ability to mine multiple cryptocurrencies. Tip number 2, you must have the right software. Validating cryptocurrency requires an extremely advanced software program that can crunch the numbers, so to speak, and do it in the most efficient way. The best software will also allow you to process or validate transactions for different types of coins and not just Bitcoin. Tip number 3, you must have the right hosting environment. Validating cryptocurrency also requires you to maximize the environment that you're running your hardware in. In order to determine your profit or actual return on validating crypto, there's an equation that takes into consideration the processing speed, electricity used, and environment that you're running your system in. If your hardware is running too hot or too slow, it will change the degree of profit you will receive, so hosting environment is important in determining your best returns. So there you have it. These are the 3 most important factors in creating a massive passive residual income in crypto validation. It's also important that you identify the best source for each of these key success factors. Enter iMarketsLive Validating. With iMarketsLive, you can rest assured that you'll have the best resources for entering the crypto validating marketplace. iMarketsLive Crypto Validating gives you access to the best proven hardware, software, and hosting in the world. The hardware has chip, processor, hash rates, etc. The exclusive and proprietary software in these machines contains artificial intelligence, or AI, that will validate all forms of altcoin and will adjust to the market conditions to make sure you are validating the most profitable coins each week. And best of all, the hosting option will offer you hands-free hosting at a world-class facility that will optimize your machine, update any needed software changes each week, and provide you with an amazing back-office interface to check on your profits and control your monthly deposits. So if you are looking for a simple, hands-free way to create massive passive residual income, iMarketsLive Validating is the solution for you.